Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Babul Hassan. Welcome to my another new video once again. How are you everyone? I hope everyone is okay. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this video, I love to share that is different topic today. I will make conversation with ChatGPT that is cooking, right? And most of the people cooking is profession. Most of the people cooking is passion, and so cooking is passion for most of the people, and cooking is profession so most of the people. So only not only women can cooking, but also men are male are male also cooking can cooking, right? So that is our topic, cooking, right? So let's start it. We I make a conversation with ChatGPT. So let's start it.
Amazing. Cooking calabuna, kitchery, and meat dishes must make your home smell incredible. And it's wonderful that your senior brothers and journalist friends enjoy your cooking so much. They're clearly giving you lots of encouragement. It's great to hear how happy that makes you. Have you ever thought about trying new recipes or experimenting with different styles of cooking?
Yes, I like to. I can different kinds of cooking like vegetables and kalabuna and khichuri, and biryani and so on. So I like those kind of cooking. Uh, so I feel very good. I feel very good. So when I cooking.
That's fantastic. You've got quite a range of dishes, from vegetables and fish curry to biryani. It's clear you're skilled in the kitchen, especially if you can make biryani, which can be quite complex. It must be really rewarding to cook these delicious meals for yourself and others. Do you have a favorite dish that you enjoy cooking the most, or one that's most popular with your friends and family?
It's my most favorite, that is khichuri and kalabona, and it is when I cooked this kind of delicious food. I try to cook from my best, and although this cooked this cook I have to cook a long time. So. There are many kinds of masala. I mixed. I add cooking in my and in cooking. So there are many kind of masala. I have to cook. I have to add this in this cooking. So this masala, biryani masala, and another masala, biryani masala, and another masala. They are those kind of masala increase our taste of this food. So it is very tasteful and mouth watering.
Kasuri and kalabuna sound absolutely mouth-watering, especially with all the rich spices you add. Using biryani masala and other spices must really enhance the flavors, making the dishes even more delicious and aromatic. It's wonderful that you put so much care and effort into cooking, making sure each dish turns out just right. It sounds like you have a real talent for balancing flavors. Do you like experimenting with different spices to create new flavors, or do you usually stick to traditional recipes?
Actually, I used in my cooking. I used many kind of masala, the biryani masala and tehri masala and meat masala. So those kind of masala are, include prawn masala. So this masala is prawn masala in Bangladesh.
Using meat-friendly masalas, terry masalas, and other specific blends must make each dish unique and full of flavor. It's clear you know exactly how to use these spices to bring bring out the best in each meal. Do you new spices to add to your cooking or prefer to keep it all?
Yes, I use spicy. Hello.
Oh, the good kick of spice. Adding a lot of spices definitely mold and flavor. Food can be so enjoyable, especially with dishes like kalabunan. Do you have a favorite spicy ingredient that you think makes the biggest difference in taste, like green chilies or a specific spice?
Yes, my favorite is spicy. That is kisuri and kanabula.
Nice. Movies have such unique storytelling styles. Are you planning to watch?
So in this way, we can speak with ChatGPT easily. So and improve our English speaking skill. So for practice for improving speaking skill practice we have to practice a lot. So without practicing we cannot improve our speaking skills. So for improving our speaking skill we must practice more and more. So sometimes we cannot find native speaker, sometimes we cannot find a partner for practicing speaking. So don't worry. We can practice easily with ChatGPT. So there are no cost. We have to no cost for practicing. So we have to unlimited. We can practice unlimited time. So what we want. So this is totally free, and we can speak with native speaker. So it is helpful for for practicing English easily and freely and confidently, and it is help us to improve our English speaking skill. So today that's all about it. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.